All right, so that of course is our top story and we'll continue to track the latest on that. But let's move on now to domestic news. In a decision that has been announced by the government at the centre has announced that a caste census will be conducted alongside the upcoming national population census. Making this announcement, government of the centre listed out what it called Congress party's hypocrisy on the issue, suggesting inconsistencies in opposition's past stance when it comes to the caste-based enumeration. But LOP Rahul Gandhi, who's consistently pushed for the caste census, welcomed the centre's decision, but he described it as being taken under pressure possibly of the opposition parties. The Congress party has been quick to claim credit over this, that they were able to push the centre to eventually take up and announce the important caste census issue. Other opposition leaders also welcoming the move, especially ahead of the Bihar elections, but they are raising questions about the timing, the methodology that will be used during the census.
एक प्रकार से इस विषय के ऊपर कांग्रेस केवल राजनीति करती रही, लेकिन धन्यवाद प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का, जिन्होंने ये ऐतिहासिक निर्णय लिया, जिस निर्णय के कारण भारत का जो अंतिम व्यक्ति है उस तक विकास को पहुंचाने में एक बहुत बड़ी मदद मिलेगी।
ये बहुत बड़ा फैसला है, बहुत बड़ा निर्णय है और ऐतिहासिक निर्णय है। इस निर्णय से सामाजिक न्याय का महाद्वार खुल जाएगा, सबको न्याय मिलेगा। इंडिया अलायंस उन्होंने सिर्फ आश्वासन ही दिया है, केवल घोषणा ही की है, वोट बैंक की राजनीति की है, केवल वोट बैंक की राजनीति।
इसके कारण देश में सामाजिक न्याय का, सामाजिक समरसता का और विशेष करके वंचित वर्गों के कल्याण के लिए, उनके अधिकार के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा रास्ता निकलेगी। लंबे समय तक देश की शासन में कांग्रेस पार्टी रही, कांग्रेस पार्टी कभी भी इसकी पक्ष में नहीं रहा। नेहरू जी के समय से राजीव गांधी जी तक सभी समय में उनकी दृष्टिकोण आरक्षण के प्रति, वंचित वर्गों के प्रति, विशेष करके पिछड़ों के प्रति नकारात्मक रही है।
Caste census, we have been fighting now for some time. Government has opposed for some reason. We don't understand what that reason is. They have suddenly decided to do it. We welcome that. We are happy that they have done the caste census.
I hope they will allot budget and they will start this caste census quickly, a general census also, and they should release quickly so that people should get benefit.
Whether this will definitely do any good to the backward classes or scheduled caste, scheduled tribes is the question, because even now there is a reservation percentage of about 49%. I think it should not exceed 50% is what the Supreme Court had stated. Out of this 49%, how many were employed? I have a data for all central government institutions, colleges, courts, offices, banks, all public sector undertakings. In nowhere this data, this 49% seats were filled by the OBCs, SCs and STs. What they speak is different from what they do.
So this has been an interesting announcement. Mixed reactions have come on this. The Narendra Modi government's decision that with the national population census upcoming, there will also be a caste census on it as well. Opposition welcoming it because in many ways, remember, for the Congress, this was the Lok Sabha election campaign cornerstone. Let's take a look at this report about the reactions and the strategy of the government with regard to caste census now.
While India waited with bated breath on a big announcement coming in concerning the Pahalgam attacks, the government took everybody by surprise by making a massive announcement. The government has decided that caste census will take place along with the national census.
आज दिनांक 30/4/2025 के दिन प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में राजनीतिक विषयों की कैबिनेट समिति ने यह निर्णय लिया है कि जातियों की गणना को आने वाली जनगणना में सम्मिलित किया जाए।
The demand for a caste census blew up politically with the backdrop of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, where the Congress raised the clarion call of Jitni Abadi Utna Haq. The government, while making the announcement today, stressed on what they deemed has been Congress's doublespeak.
कांग्रेस की सरकार ने जाति जनगणना के बजाय एक सर्वे कराना ही उचित समझा। इस सब के बावजूद कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन के दलों ने जाति जनगणना के विषय को केवल अपने राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए उपयोग किया।
The Congress, though, was quick to take credit, stressing they have already conducted the caste survey in Telangana and already proposed reservation based on it. Jairam Ramesh tweeted a letter from 2023 stating that the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge then had requested the Prime Minister to conduct a caste survey immediately.
Caste census, we have been fighting now for some time. Government has opposed. For some reason, we don't understand what that reason is. They have suddenly decided to do it. We welcome that. We are happy that they have done the caste census.
While the move will have tectonic political implications, the state of Bihar, going into elections in less than 6 months, will feel its maximum political impact. The Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar tweeted welcoming the move. The political minefield that this move exposes will require deft political maneuvering. Till now, the dream of Baba Saheb Ambedkar of a casteless society has only but remained a dream and a mirage. The hard reality is that caste continues to play a huge role in governance and social equity and policy. And for that, will it be better to have real numbers or continue to operate blind?